Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Arijanki. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today we are unboxing Valentino Uomo Born in Roma Yellow Dreams. I know I was late to the party because it's already reviewed by many YouTubers. It's 2021 launch, and unfortunately I just bought it at that time and it just keeps sitting in my shelf. Soon we'll be providing you with the honest review, and like and subscribe, hit the bell icon button so you get that honest review videos ASAP. Let's open it. There you go. All the details are mentioned on the box. And there goes the bottle, which is really, really beautiful. I love it. Born in Roma, Valentino Uomo. Yeah, do remember that it does have a female version also, so you have to buy the male one.